Hey guys, it's Kids News. Me and Luke just got home from a party, so we decided to make a vlog. Oh, this is my house. Okay. Yo, close that door behind you, Luke. Oh. Okay, my dogs are still here. Alright, here, Luke, you want to get something to eat? I just bought some cereal. Whoa, what? Whoa, what was that? Whoa. Yo, what was that? Luke, what was that?
I heard some knocking on the door, bro.
Yeah, me too, bro. Bro, guys, this is crazy. Oh my god, what is this?
Look at that, bro.
Yo, it's a phone number. Here, I'll keep that on my pie. Yo, what's this? What's this? It says, can you guys see? It says Angry Bird. Angry Bird, huh? That makes no sense. Here, let's get back inside. Maybe if we call the number. Okay. Alright, guys. It's just... Alright, let's get inside.
Oh my god, we still got the egg? Oh.
Hey guys, it's Kids News, and we just got it inside. And so yeah, we're home, and we got this egg. And my friend Luke's gonna call the number. So here it is. Alright, hey guys, it's Luke, and he's calling the number right now.
Yeah.
Are you scared, Luke? I'm all scared.
I'm pretty scared, bro.
Did I just tell you guys it just, like, hit, 2:50, so it's almost 3 a.m. Guys, it's really spooky. Okay.
I'm getting to Jackson's number.
Jackson? Who's Jackson? Oh, him, yeah, that kid. Call him up. Wait, should we wait until 3 a.m. to call? Yeah, we should.
I could call this mysterious number. We just found it in the middle of our backyard. Put it on speaker.
Yeah, started biking here. Go.
No, you don't. Okay, I'm about to call this mysterious number that we just found in the middle of our backyard. I put it on speaker so you guys can hear. And yo, let's go. I'm just kind of scared, but you know, that's just what it is. Who are you? Why'd you leave your...
Why'd you leave your egg in our backyard? You can't have it. Guys, you said buy your Kids News merch or he's gonna get you. And then he said he's gonna come to our house. What are we gonna do? Guys, help! Someone's knocking on our door. It's the Angry Bird! Ah! Come on, Luke, we gotta run. Whoa!
The Angry Bird's after me too. Come with me to my base.
Okay. Guys, we gotta get to his base. Guys, I'll record again when we're at his base. Ah! Oh. No. He's wearing my merch. Buy my merch. Buy my new merch. Buy my new merch, guys. Look at him. He's wearing Kids News merch. You gotta wear my Kids News merch. Alright. We gotta get out of here. He's stealing the whip and nay. Guys, go. He's flying. What are we gonna do, guys? Guys, what are we gonna do? He's coming. He killed the pig. No.
News merch. Buy Kids News merch. Buy Kids News merch.
Guys, he's taking the L.